Next, I would like to welcome
Please give a round of applause for Sir James.
Very good morning to all the students, headmistress, and a very good morning to our respected senior master, Sir Deva, and a very good morning to our respected senior coordinator, Madam Raseshwari. Today, students, all of you will be quiet. Yes. I would like to request all my dear students to stand up. All right. Now please close your eyes. Close your eyes. Join your hands and listen to this prayer. This prayer is very special for this occasion. So please close your eyes, join your hand and listen to the slok. Yes. First of all, we would like to pay a tribute, a homage to all the departed souls who have been a martyr for our state, which is Manipur. Manipur kidamakta, Lansi kidamakta, Nanadabi kidamakta, Hawaii Ponta, Oiruba Mayam Sindo, Aduduki Mamunda, Aquila tribute, Hanabina Vitamanta, Aquila Hatam, Minute Ama, Gumbagong, Antam to Mina for Epaga, Moida Minister Hanjali, Hana Utsi, Haidana. Okay. And especially Apagi respected Vice Principal na schools, the absence of legacy, Matamam Kuide, Adam Mahaki Kong. Yaipuna Vitamanta, Hacham Panavitamakta, Equator Masesu, Tajas, Loraga, Mayam Puna, Equatam, Hatam, Minute, Ani or episode, to be a silence or Mapuma Pudding Sixty. Alright? All of you, start. Okay, thank you very much. I would like to request, please remain standing. Please remain standing and be quiet for a moment. And teachers, please, all of you listen to me carefully. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwar, Guru Sakshat, Par Brahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Nam, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Nam, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Nam. Alright, the meaning of this one, the Guru is the Brahma, the Guru is the Vishnu, the Guru is the Shiva, and the Guru is the supreme of all Brahma. We vow our hate to that Guru Bhagavani. Today is the Teacher's Day, so please remain silent. You are paying the respect, Natro, you are paying the respect to the teachers. You have to remain silent. Thank you very much, my dear student. Please take your place.